Good morning, childrens. How are you all? Welcome back to the online class of computer. I am your computer teacher, Arpita Nimani. Childrens, today we will be doing chapter number 9 of your textbook, Tux Paint, page number 97. Childrens, it is again a practical chapter, so I would like you all to open your textbook and sit, so that you all can understand better. Okay, let's start. Tux Paint. What is Tux Paint? Tux Paint is an open source and free of cost software for drawing and painting. What is Tux Paint? It is a software for drawing and painting. It has a number of tools to help in drawing and coloring. It also includes interesting sound effects. So keep the speakers of your system on. Okay, so it also gives sound effects. Interesting, right? See the logo given below the picture. It is of Tux Paint. When you will install in your laptop or mobile, it will show this kind of picture. Okay. Now, how to start a Tux Paint? For starting it, click Start, the leftmost button of your desktop. Click that. In that, All Programs, then Tux Paint. Then Tux Paint windows will get opened. Then double click on that Tux Paint icon. Okay. You will get two choices while opening Tux Paint. You can either open it full screen by selecting Tux Paint full screen, or open it in a new window by selecting Tux Paint windowed. Okay, usually it is better to open Tux Paint in a new window, because sometimes in full screen all the options cannot be seen. So it is better to open it in new window. See, childrens, in this way. Selecting all programs. First picture is of all programs. Then selecting from that Tux Paint. Second picture. And then selecting Tux Paint windowed. Okay. In this, the title screen appears. Title screen is the picture given below. Here with the monkey scene, Tux Paint written. This is called the title screen of Tux Paint. As the program is loaded into memory, press any key or click the mouse to continue. Okay. Now, the main screen appears. See, children, this is the main screen of the Tux Paint. This is called the main screen of Tux Paint. The main screen is divided into 5 sections. See, toolbar. Number 1 is toolbar. See, as it is marked, toolbar is on the left side of the main screen. It contains drawing and editing tools. It contains drawing and editing tools. Then comes the drawing canvas. See, the uppermost on the right side. It is at the center of the main screen. It is used to draw figures. It is used to draw figures. It is present at the center of the main screen. See the arrow, okay? Third part is selector. Selector is on the right side of the main screen. If you select the brush tool, for example, the selector shows the various size of brushes available. Okay? Everything is written on the tools, childrens. Okay? When you will select the selector tool, it will show different types. Okay? Now comes the colors. A palette of colors is found just below the drawing canvas. See, different colors are seen. That is called the colors palette. Okay, from that you can select any color. The fifth part is help area. See help area. It is present at the bottom of the main screen. It provides tips and other informations about the selected tool while drawing on the canvas. Means when we'll draw something, it provides other informations what we can do. Okay. So this is the main screen of Tux Paint. Okay. Now comes different drawing tools. Some of the drawing tools in Tux Paint are described here. As we see these tools, we will hear different sounds. So, it will be fun to keep the speakers of our system on. So, what it is said that when we will use these tools, it will make different sounds. Okay. The first is paint. Paint, the paint tool. The paint tool lets us draw freehand. Means we can draw anything without the help of any device. For this, what we have to do? Click the paint tool. A brush will appear as you take the mouse pointer to the drawing canvas. Means when you will click the paint tool and come to the drawing area, a brush will be seen. Click to select the color from the color palette. You have to select the color, which color you have to use. Then click to select the size of the brush from the selector. You have to go to selector and select the size of the brush. Click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer inside the drawing canvas. Means you can draw anything. Click the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer and you can draw anything. Now release the mouse when you finish. Means draw anything and then release the mouse button. Okay. See. Like this you can use the paint tool. Anything and any color and of any size you can draw. Okay. The next is children, lines. The line tool lets you draw straight lines. Means it helps us to draw straight lines. For this, you have to click the lines tool. Then click to select the color from the color palette. See downwards, the color palette is there. Then click to select the size of the line from the selector. Then click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. Now release the mouse when you finish. Means children, using each tool you have to follow the same procedure. Next comes the shapes tool. The shapes tool lets us draw some simple, filled and unfilled geometrical figures. Means you can draw geometrical figures using shapes tool. For this, you have to click the shapes tool. Now select the color from the color palette. Click shapes in the selector. Which shape you have to draw. Now click to select the center and to start from the center of the shape. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it to increase to the size you desire. Means any geometrical shape which you select will start to draw from center, and when you will hold the left mouse button and drag, it will increase its size. Now release the mouse. Okay. Move around to rotate the shape and click to draw it. Means you can draw it anywhere in the drawing canvas you want. Children's, the next comes the text tool. As the name suggests, text tool lets us add text or numbers in the drawing area. Means we can write anything using this. For this, you have to click the text tool. Then select the color from the color palette. Now select the text style from the selector. Means in which style you have to write. Then clicking on the drawing canvas, a cursor appears. When you will click in the drawing canvas area, a cursor will be seen. We can type whatever we want. Then press enter key. As we write, we press enter to move to the next line. Just click anywhere on the drawing canvas. You will find that the current line of text will move to that location. Okay. Next comes the magic tool, means special effects tool. Magic tool is also called special effects tool. The magic tool lets us add special effects to our drawing. It gives special effects to our drawing. The steps are: click on the magic tool, then click the magic effects in the selector. We will see two buttons on the lower side of the selector. If the left button is highlighted, it means the tool can be used by clicking and dragging around the picture. Okay? And if the right button is highlighted, it means the tool can be used by clicking the picture once. Means we can draw or show magic effects in two ways, using the left and the right buttons. See children, the image, it shows the effects, different types of effects. See the chalk, the foam effect, then the brick effect, different effects it shows. Okay, this all effects can be done by magic tool. Now comes the eraser tool. The eraser tool lets us erase any portion of the drawing. Any portion. The icon showed below is the eraser tool. Okay. To erase anything, the steps are: click the eraser tool. Click to select an eraser of the size we want from the selector. Means eraser also we have to select the size of the eraser. Now click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse pointer for erasing on the drawing canvas. As we do in paint, we have to do the same way. We have to press the left mouse button and go to the drawing canvas area, the part we want to rub or erase. There we have to rub using the left mouse button. Then release the mouse button when we finish. Okay. Now after finishing this children's, there are certain other controls also. There are other tools for various functions like undo, redo, to save and to open a drawing. There is also a tool for starting a new drawing. Okay, as we all know, undo and redo, clicking the undo will cancel the last drawing option. Undo cancels the last drawing action. Whatever we have done last, if we'll press undo, it will cancel it. And clicking the redo button will redo the drawing action we just undid with the undo button. Means if by mistake we have done something undo and we want it to be back, we can have it by pressing redo button. Okay, and we can undo or redo more than once. Okay. New. The new tool will start a new drawing. Okay. It looks like this. See, it's written new. This is the logo of new button. The steps are: click the new button. A dialog box will appear. See, the dialog box is also shown, where you can choose from a solid background color or starter image on scrolling down. Just double click it or click it and click the open option. If you have double clicked a starter image, a dialog box may appear. The dialog box looks like this. If you have saved it, this type of dialog box will appear. Now click yes, then save it. It will create a new picture file. If the dialog box does not appear, continue and then save the picture by clicking save. We already know how to save the picture, right? The save tool will save the current drawing. If the picture is not saved before, it will create a new file. Means if the picture you are working with is not saved before, it will create a new file. And if the picture is already saved, a dialog box appears. Again, the dialog box is shown below. Click yes, replace the old one to save it over an old version. Click no, save a new file to save it as a new file. Okay, the name you have to give. Now comes the open tool. The open tool is used to load a picture. Means you have saved it and you have to load it. Clicking this button will show a list of all the pictures you have saved. Okay, just double click the picture to open it. Okay, any drawing or any picture you have saved, this tool will open that picture and you can open it. Okay. See children, here are the shortcuts given for the various actions. Like for undo, we press Ctrl plus Z, redo Ctrl plus Y, new Ctrl plus N, open Ctrl plus O and save Ctrl plus S. You all should know these shortcuts so that when you do practical, you should know. So all of you, please learn it. Okay? Now children, as we are done with the chapter, let's finish up your textbook exercise. Page number 105 from your computer textbook, chapter number 9, Tux Paint. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The Tux Paint main screen is divided into dash sections. It is divided into 5 sections. B. The dash contains tools for drawing and editing. The toolbar contains tools. C. The dash shows tips and information about the selected tool while drawing on the drawing canvas. The help area. D. To start a new drawing, click the dash tool. Click the new tool. E. The dash tool is used to save the picture. The save tool is used. Okay. Question number 2. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A. The color palette is placed just before the drawing canvas. Yes, true. B. The toolbar contains different sizes of tools. No, false. C. The lines tool can draw curved lines. False. It can draw only straight lines. D. You can move the shapes by moving the mouse pointer. True. Yes, we can move. E. The magic effects tools can be used by clicking the picture or clicking and dragging the picture. True. Question number 3. Write one word for the following. A. This section is present on the right side of the main screen. Selector. Selector. B. This section is present below the drawing canvas. Colors. C. This tool is used to draw straight lines. Lines tool. D. This tool is used to draw the various geometrical figures. Which tool? Shapes tool. E. This tool is used to delete a part of or the whole picture. Eraser tool. Question number 5. Choose the correct option. A. The toolbar contains drawing tools, editing tools, different sizes of tools, both 1 and 2. Drawing tools and editing tools. Okay, so fourth option is the answer. B. This section is present at the bottom of the main screen. Help area. C. This tool is used to write letters and numbers. Text tool. D. This tool is used to give special effects to a picture. Special effects is given by magic tool. E. This tool is used to cancel the last drawing action. Undo. Undo helps us to cancel the last drawing action. With this, we finish the exercise, children. Thank you.